हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, वेलकम टू अ न्यू वीडियो। बज रहा है रात का 3। आई जस्ट केम बैक फ्रॉम ऑफिस, नॉट केम बैक, ऑन द वे टू माई होम। और भाई मनीला में, इन मनीला फॉर लास्ट आई थिंक 1 वीक द रेन इज breaking all the records. It's raining so heavily each and every day. I'll show you. I'll put a camera that side and show. So look at the, and this is the rain for last almost 1 week, and it's not like slowing down. Maybe slowing down for 5-10 minutes, then again start raining heavily. And every like 1 hour 2 hours I get the notification in my mobile like red alert, orange alert. Very bad situation here. Even you have umbrella, like umbrella with me, but still all my shoes and the jeans are soaked. The intensity of the rain, and the wind is blowing so fast that it's taking away my umbrella. I literally hold this umbrella so tight to stop, otherwise the wind is so strong that my umbrella can just go away with the wind strength. I'll just stand here and I'll show you around how's this area look like. Look at the rain. झमाझम पानी. We called back in India ना कि भैया क्या झमाझम बारिश हुई है. That is the same scene happening here. Heavy rain, and see the cloud are even coming near these buildings. Nice na? Heavy rain. If you really want to see the intensity of rain, you should look at the light side. I mean at the light. बहुत गजब का बारिश हो रहा है. मेरे सारे जूते, both of my shoes and socks and my bag, everything is completely wet and soaked up. But still the life is not stopping, and there are so many areas in Manila wherein the news of flood. Lots of people got water inside in there. Look at this. This is also almost like flooded. Look, the water. But this is the best time to have nice tea, some pakoras or samosas, or maybe if you like to drink, then some drink with some chakna and all, whatever you'd like to prefer. But for the people like me who are vegetarian, I think samosa, pyaj ka pakoda, different type of pakoda, and hot tea, nothing like it. See, the problem is the entire city is almost, this area has the first tiles on the first. So when I came with the sleepers, or basically Crocs, then I was just slippery all the time. Okay, Now I need to. My umbrella is little big, which is because a small umbrella will not work in this type of rain. I mean, the intensity of rain is so high. You really need a big umbrella to cover yourself. But only the upper body, your feet, your legs, your jeans, your shoes, everything will be wet. देख रहे प्रॉपर नाला चल रहा है. It's like a river. Need to be very careful. If get slipped, मजा बहुत आ रहा है भैया, लेकिन रेन इज बड़ी भयंकर. हैवी रेन. See, I cannot. Look at the so much pressure on me. We'll see again, and it's not like slowing it down. It's getting more intense. I still have like 500 meter or maybe 300 meter to cover to reach my home. Sorry guys. Alright guys, I think I cannot hold umbrella with one hand and my mobile with the second hand because the wind is so fast and heavy. Like the umbrella is keep moving further. So I hope whatever video I was able to put together, you like it. Please hit the like button and subscribe my channel and comment if your area is also facing heavy rain. Please put your comment with the name of your area, and till then, thank you so much. Bye bye and take care.